Hello my friends, welcome to Bunny Tales. Today we're going to make this activity to teach young children about emotions. All we need is some cardboard, a ruler, markers, something to cut with like scissors or a cutter, and tape. First of all, we're going to make dice. To make dice, we're going to draw a letter T shape on the cardboard. It's going to be based on squares. So over here I'm making my squares 2 inches by 2 inches. I'm going to have 4 across and then 3 long ways. The one in the middle is shared. Once I mark out my letter T with 6 squares, I'm ready to start shaping the dice. Of course, my cat has to make sure it's made correctly. He is my quality control after all. Now it's time to cut it. I'm going to cut out the outline of the letter T. And then I'm going to turn it over. Once I turn it over, I'm going to use a cutter to score, which means lightly cut the markings that I made. That way it's going to be easy to bend it and shape it into a dice. Now on each square of the dice, I'm going to draw a face. I do this step before I make the dice because it is easier to draw on a flat surface. I'm going to make sure that each face is very representative of an emotion. I try to make sure that all the emotions drawn are something that my little ones can relate to. I try to make sure that the eyes on each emotion are very different. That way it is easy for them to do the activity and they don't get confused. I also try to do the same with the mouths because that's the way they express their emotions, when they see how the eyes and the mouths relate to a different feeling. It's just a way to show how you can reflect your emotions. When I'm done drawing all of my faces, I fold in the edges and turn it into dice. I use tape to secure it. You can use a hot glue gun if you want to, but I find that tape is usually the most durable. Now I'm going to make the faces. I just use any circular object I have to trace them out. That way all the faces are the same size. I'm going to draw out 6 circles and then I'm going to cut them out. Now on each circle I'm going to draw a face that is identical to one of the faces that is on our dice. Once I am done drawing all 6 faces, it's time for me to cut the circles in half. I'm going to cut them in half so that the eyes are in one half and then the mouth is on the other. Now that all the circles are cut in half, with the eyes on one side and the mouth on the other, we're ready to start playing the game. Once you've set up your game, you can have your little one roll the dice. They're going to look at the face on the dice and ask them, "How do you think that face is feeling? Do you ever feel like that? Over here the face looks angry." Let them make the angry face with the 2 pieces of cardboard and then make that face in real life. Ask them if they've ever felt angry and what they do. Then we can talk about coping solutions and mechanisms that can help them. We can discuss each emotion and we can relate it to their real lives. This is a good way to help little ones open up and talk about how they're feeling. I hope you enjoyed making this activity, and I hope your little ones enjoy taking part in it and learning about emotions. Please subscribe to Bunny Tales and don't forget to hit the like button so I can make more fun videos. Thank you!